Welcome back. This is about the another FM transmitter. This one is phase modulated FM transmitter. This is the indirect FM generation. In generally, direct FM not widely used because there is a lot of frequencies issues. In indirect FM generation technique are widely used. The widely used indirect FM generation technique is Armstrong method. Okay, that Armstrong using that Armstrong method only they design the FM transmitter. Okay, in Armstrong method we already discussed in previous class. In that Armstrong method, FM generation is occurred using the phase modulation. That is the basic principle basic principle of the Armstrong method. This method is conversion the audio input wave into a frequency modulated wave using phase modulation. That is the Armstrong method. Okay, this is the indirect FM generation method. So coming to the FM transmitter, Armstrong FM transmitter or indirect FM transmitter, whatever it is may be, or phase modulated FM transmitter. These are all same. Okay, so coming to the block diagram, we are already discussed this, the same block diagram here, but the some power amplifier section is added here. Okay, so here one message signal fed to the balanced modulator through the integrator. Okay, through the integrator, our message signal integrated over here, and then you fed to the product modulator. It means the balanced modulator and product modulator are same. Okay, then the carrier of this transmitter is over here, crystal oscillator. It generates continuously oscillations. That means the carrier frequency fed to the here product modulator through the phase shift. You just observe the phase shift, 90 degrees phase shift employed here. Okay, so here the modulator, here product modulator, one input is message signal through the integrator and audio amplifier. Because this audio amplifier employed here for the stunter the increases the voltage levels of the actual message signal, then fed to the integrator means integrate our message signal, then integrated message signal is fed to the product modulator. Is nothing but a phase modulation. So integral over the message signal, integral over our message is nothing but a phase modulation. You just remember our previous classes, the relation between the FM and PM, the integrator followed by the phase modulator, that is the FM. Okay, so you treat it like this. That's why it is called the phase modulated FM transmitter. Okay, that is fed to the that signal, integrated message signal fed to the balanced modulator, and another input is carrier signal, 90 degrees phase shift carrier signal through the crystal oscillator. That both are produces the double sidebands. It means the DSB-SC signal will be occurred here. DSB-SB will be present here. Okay, because it is a product modulator, one is carrier and another one is message signal. The output is simply double sideband suppressed carrier. It means the double sidebands that is fed to the multiplayer section, because up to here NBFM will be produced, but here the harmonic generator means the multiplayer section. This multiplayer section increases the frequency deviations. That deviations are fed to the summer circuit. It means the mixer and our combining network. This is called it as combining network. Okay, so here it is not denoted by mixer, no problem. Mixer, whatever it is, maybe combining network or summer, you can call anyway, no problem. This is not a harmonic generator, this is the buffer amplifier. Okay, buffer amplifier. There is a printing mistake, you observe. This is the buffer amplifier. Okay, this buffer amplifier isolates between the crystal oscillator and combining network in order to disturbing the avoiding the disturbance in the tank circuits of the crystal oscillator. So that's why here the buffer amplifier employs. So in the combining network, the both the uh, actual carrier, actually you don't forget the final output of the fm, the is the standard equation states that fm of t equal to carrier plus integral over the message signal, including phase sensitivity. You don't forget that equation. Okay, I try to write here again for your better understanding. Omega ct plus kf integral over m of t. This is the our standard notation of the standard derivation of the fm signal. So integral of a message signal are present here, and the carrier signal also present here, that is this part, and plus purely carrier signal. Okay, that's why for this purpose the direct carrier add in the combining network here. So both are mixed here, and then it is fed to the amplifier for the higher signal, higher power levels. Reaches the higher power levels and transmits to the transmitting antenna. In this way the fm transmitter, mean indirect fm transmitter works here. Okay, you just observe carefully. This is the Armstrong method of the fm generation. I once again repeat, this is the audio signal fed to the balanced modulator or phase modulator or product modulator through the integrator. In this way the carrier is further fed to this through the 90 degrees phase shift for combining for the both the output of the balancer modulator is DSBSC. This DSBSC is add to the summer network through the harmonic generator, means the multiplier. So in order to produce the higher frequencies, and then also by the observing the standard deviation, standard fm equation, carrier plus integral over the m of t into kf, it means the frequency deviation frequency sensitivity. So that's why here the direct carrier signal applied here. So in the summer network both are added and fed to the power amplifier. In the power amplifier the signal will be strengthened and then transmit to the transmitter antenna. You just remember both are same, the Armstrong method fm generation, and here the both circuits are same, with the little bit difference. Here the amplifiers are included. Okay, thank you. This is about the fm transmitter. Here we concluded the transmitter sections, all the transmitters, whatever it in the syllabus mentioned, that entire transmitter sections are we concluded here. From the next classes we discussed about the receiver types. Okay, the receiver types and what type of different receivers, AM receiver and FM receiver receivers we discussed in later classes. Here we concluded about the transmitters, types of transmitters. AM transmitter, there are two types of AM transmitters, a high level and low level AM transmitter. There are two types of FM transmitters we discussed here. One is variable reactance type and another one is phase modulated FM transmitter. One is direct method and another one is indirect method. Direct method is reactance, variable reactance type method, and indirect method is phase modulated method. The phase modulated type also called Armstrong method of the FM transmitter. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you.